Hey there guys, welcome to K-Head's double box break number 92 of 12-13 Upper Deck Artifact. So last team ended with Edmonton Oilers on January 8th at 7:44 p.m. Eastern Time. Go up to Kearney Bay Dane time. We'll hit refresh one more time. Virus getting popped up. So Kearney Bay Dane time is Tuesday, January 8th at 7:04 p.m. Pacific time and Tuesday, January 8th at 10:04 p.m. Eastern time. So about 2 hours and a bit since auction ended. So back to 92. And the serial numbers we're doing tonight: 189557184. And other different digits are 8077. So I'll show you guys serial numbers. Box. Well, this one I got pulled up a little bit. So 58077. Oh, so we don't even need to move. 7184. Okay, so I guess we'll save a little bit of time. We'll go over both boxes like this. Then I'll show you guys the top and bottom of the wrapping. Save us a little bit of time. And so bottom of this one. Sealed. Sealed. Okay, so I'll show you guys serial numbers for each box and we'll get started. And also, I posted my SB game use break, which is for next Wednesday. 8077. It's 28 spots, random team, and it's $38 a spot. So link will be below if anybody's interested in joining that, and I'll be posting on the next breaks and stuff like that too. So looks like a very nice product too. The titanium setup, so we'll do lots of breaks on those probably. So here we go, guys. We got rookie redemption for the Chicago Blackhawks. We got J.S. Shigeru dual jersey for the Colorado Avalanche out of 125. We got Autofax of Michael Neuver for the Washington Capitals. I don't think he's a short print or anything. Tundra Tandems of Mark Messier and Mike Gardner for the New York Rangers. Messier and Gardner. We got Wayne Gretzky, Team Canada of $9.99. It's just Team Canada logo, so it's based on the description. Most NHL regular season game he played with is with the Edmonton Oilers, so it's going to Edmonton. Just because there's no NHL team on that one. Yeah. And we got Emerald of Ryan Callahan out of 99 for the Rangers. Patch here. Patch is for the LA Kings of Jeff Carter. Just one color, and it's 20 of 36. The LA Kings. We got Carter Camper for the Boston Bruins out of $9.99. We haven't pulled a dual fight strap in a bit now. Got Carey Price out of 99 for the Montreal Canadiens. Last pack of box 1. We got Maxime Salve for the Boston Bruins out of 9.99. Box 2. 7184. Box. We got NHL Wildcard Redemption, which is going to be random between everybody, and it's red 233. So we'll set that up at the end. This. We got Frozen Artifacts of Derek Stepan for the New York Rangers. We got Travis Turnbull for the Buffalo Sabres out of 9.99. We got Drew Doughty, Team Canada for the LA Kings, $9.99. We got Michael Hutchinson, rookie, $9.99 for the Boston Bruins. We got Carter Camper, Sapphire out of 85 for the Boston Bruins. A lot of Boston hits. We got Ray Bourque, dual jersey for the Boston Bruins. Is that 3 in a row for Boston? The 125. And we got team jersey auto of Drew Doughty for the LA Kings. I think that's out of 10. No, 3 of 12 for the LA Kings. So 3 of 12 Drew Doughty for the Kings. We got Tundra Tandems for the Dallas Stars, Mike Ribeiro and Steve Ott. And they're both still Stars. I think they both got traded this year already, so both Stars though. And last pack of the break. No patch. Oh, we got jersey all this, so there's no patch. And we got Corey Schneider for the Vancouver Canucks out of $9.99. And that concludes the break, guys. Tomorrow we got double Black Diamond, double Crown Royal, and new case of Cup Hockey. Oh, sorry. We'll do the redemption. Good thing I just looked down. 1 second. Let's set up the randomizer. Okay, so good thing I did look down again. Okay, so we got the randomizer set up for wildcard red 233. We're going to random all 30 NHL teams in the break because we don't have a checklist yet of the wildcard. So we're going to random the list 3 times. The team on top after the 3rd time is going to receive the card. So good luck to everybody. So 1, whenever it loads. So, oh, whoops. Oh, whoops. There, we got to set it up again. And if it copies. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So here we go again. So 3 times. So 1. It's a good thing I did look. So all 30 teams. 2 and 3 goes to the Washington Capitals, and you'll randomize this list 3 times. So all 30 NHL teams, and Washington Capitals is on top. So congratulations, Washington, and be sure to check out the breaks for tomorrow, guys. Take care.